Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Aga English Grammar Tips. And today my topic is Educational Research. Unit number 1, Source of Knowledge, code 837. And the university name is Allama Iqbal Open University. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी सबकी डिमांड पे ये चीज़ मैंने एजुकेशनल रिसर्च जो थी उसका यूनिट नंबर 1 आज स्टार्ट करना है। और जैसा कि मैं अपनी क्लासेस में इस चीज़ के बारे में बता भी चुका हूँ कि रिसर्च जो है वो हर टॉपिक के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। चलें चलते हैं आज के इस टॉपिक में कि सोर्स ऑफ नॉलेज, हम कौन कौन सी ऐसे सोर्सेज हैं जिनके थ्रू हम नॉलेज जो है वो गेन करते हैं। चलिए आज चलते हैं इसकी तरफ और जानते हैं इसके बारे में। Objectives of this unit. Reading this topic, the students will be able to identify the sources of knowledge, explain the sense perceptions, discuss the role of tradition, authority, expert opinion, and metaphysics in acquiring knowledge. Number 4, evaluate different sources of knowledge. इसके थ्रू आप डिफरेंट सोर्सेज जो है वो नॉलेज के वो आपको पता लग जाएंगे इस यूनिट में आपको। First of all, what we want to discuss is what is knowledge, and human body needs nutritious food for its healthy existence. Human mind also needs nutritious food for their healthy and brilliant functioning, and knowledge is considered as the food of mind. As you know, students, that as the food is compulsory for a body to function brilliantly, same like that, food is also required, or it is essential for the mind of anyone. If you are hungry, then your mind is not working well. So the term knowledge can refers to the theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. It can be implicit as with practical skills or expertise, or explicit as with a theoretical understanding of a subject. Formal or informal, systematic or particular. The philosopher Plato famously pointed out the need for a distinction between knowledge and true belief, leading a definition of knowledge is justified true belief. So students, here we discuss about the Plato's definition of knowledge, justified true belief. Knowledge can be defined as familiarity, awareness, or understanding of someone or something, such as facts, information, descriptions, or skills, which is acquired through experiences or education by perceiving, discovering, or learning. There, I want to elaborate that these lines with the words. The knowledge can be defined as the familiarity, awareness, or understanding of someone or something, such as facts, information, descriptions, or skills, which is acquired through experiences or education by perceiving, discovering, or learning. There, one can say that कि नॉलेज जो है वो एक्सपीरियंसेस से हासिल होता है। हम लोग डिफरेंट किस्म के एक्सपीरियंसेस हासिल करते हैं और उसके बाद हमें नॉलेज, हाँ, हमें मिलता है, डिफरेंट किस्म का नॉलेज मिलता है। हम उससे डिफरेंट किस्म की चीज़ें डिस्कवर करते हैं और सीखते हैं। एनी न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्वायर्ड बाय एन ऑर्गेनिज्म थ्रू फॉर्मल, इनफॉर्मल और नॉन फॉर्मल वे ऑफ इंक्वायरी कैन बी टर्म्ड एज नॉलेज। कोई भी चीज़ हमें जिस भी तरीके से मिले, चाहे वो फॉर्मल तरीके से मिले, चाहे वो नॉन फॉर्मल तरीके से मिले, it is included in knowledge. Knowledge make individuals more strength and confident in their activity. The activity of a research builds new knowledge. जब हम न्यू एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं तो हमारे पास न्यू नॉलेज आता है। थ्योरी और फॉर्मुलेट्स generalizations. Ways, source of acquiring knowledge, where we get knowledge, we acquire knowledge. where what are the sources there. In that slide we will discuss about and why we want knowledge, we want to gain knowledge. Curious to know about new things is the main motivating factor for searching new knowledge. As you know, students, that curiosity is also an attribute of a human being. So he is always curious about knowing new things. So when a person feel disequilibrium regarding any matter of content, she or he starts search for reaching valid conclusion regarding the matter of doubt. The process of clarification leads them to equilibration in their cognition. For the purpose of getting new information, the human beings are using following ways to accumulate new knowledge. Sources of knowledge. There are many ways to gain knowledge and some are better than others. कुछ चीज़ें जो है वो दूसरों की निस्बत काफ़ी बेहतर हैं and we want to know what are the sources of knowledge. The main purpose of that unit is the to know about the sources of knowledge. Number one, sensory perceptions. Senses are the gateway of knowledge. Five senses help an individual to get primary information regarding any object, individual, or events, and so forth. Through this five sense organs, or any one activity, single sense organ, students are able to construct and verify information regarding the experiment conducted. Hence, sensory perceptions are the one important source or means of acquiring knowledge in the case of a researcher. The sensory perceptions are important to them to collect information and verify the authenticity and originality of acquired knowledge. Tradition. Traditional knowledge refers to the knowledge, innovations, and practices of indigenous and local communities around the world, developed from experience gained over the centuries and adapted to the local culture and environment. Traditional knowledge is transmitted orally from generation to generation. As you know, many things we learn, we acquire, many knowledge we acquire from tradition, and there is a lot of knowledge is in our ट्रेडिशन. जैसे कि एक इसको मैं एक्सप्लोर करना चाहूँगा कि तहज़ीब सिखाती है जीने का सलीका, तहज़ीब सिखाती है जीने का सलीका, तालीम से जाहिल की जहालत नहीं जाती. यहाँ पर मैं इस चीज़ को इसलिए कोट कर रहा हूँ कि ट्रेडिशन से हम लोग बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. हमारी ट्रेडिशंस हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाती हैं. हम अपने एंसेस्टर्स से बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. अगर हम लोग सोर्सेज ऑफ नॉलेज की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो सोर्स ऑफ नॉलेज में ट्रेडिशन भी आती है. ठीक है. इट टेंड्स टू बी collectively owned and takes the form of stories, songs, folklore, proverbs, cultural values, belief, rituals, community laws, local language, and agricultural practices, including the development of plant species and animal breeds. जब हम इन तमाम चीज़ों को इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो इनके थ्रू हम अपनी ट्रेडिशन के थ्रू, ये हमारी ट्रेडिशन में शामिल होती हैं, चाहे वो स्टोरीज हों, चाहे वो सॉन्ग्स हों, चाहे फोकलोरीज हों, प्रोवर्ब्स हों, कल्चर हो, कल्चरल वैल्यूज़. These are all included in our tradition, and we learn from them, and that is include the source of knowledge. Authority. There are several occasions where a researcher needs authoritative knowledge. All official information can be termed as authoritative knowledge. One can get information from concerned authority regarding their concern. Right to Information Act is a good example for the same. If any individual needs authentic information regarding any authority, then he can file a query regarding his information concern through to concerned authority. This process ensures an information seeker to get authentic knowledge from authority. इसको अगर हम डिस्कस करें तो हमने जो अथेंटिक अथॉरिटी होती है उसी से हमें कुछ चीज़ अगर चाहिए है, हमें कुछ कोई न्यूज़ अगर हमें मिली है तो वो हम उसकी जो सोर्स को भी चेक करते हैं कि वो न्यूज़ हमें हमारी जो है वो किस हद तक दुरुस्त है। तो रिसर्चर के लिए इस चीज़ का जो है चेक एंड बैलेंस रखना कि जो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रही है वो किस अथॉरिटी के तहत मिल रही है या किस वे से हमें मिल रही है, ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। समटाइम जो है वो रिसर्चर जो हैं वो थोड़ा सा कन्फ्लिक्ट का शिकार हो जाता है और वो जो उसको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है अक्सर औकात वो क्योंकि उसने उसको सोर्स चेक नहीं किया होता तो उस वजह से उसको उसकी रिसर्च में कमी भी आ सकती है, उसका टाइम भी वेस्ट हो सकता है और उसकी जो डाटा है उसके अंदर भी प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं। सो expert opinions. Today we live in a world where people trust and rely on opinions of experts. आजकल की दुनिया में आप लोग एक्सपर्ट्स की दुनिया को देखते हैं, एक्सपर्ट के व्यूज़ को देखते हैं। मैनी ऑफ अस ट्राई टू गेट द एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन इन एवरी केस। हम लोग हर किसी केस में, हर मसले में सबसे पहले एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियंस को कंसीडर करते हैं। वेन एवर वी टर्न गवर्नमेंट, courts of justice, media, textbook, business, companies and others all focus on opinion of experts. जब भी हम किसी भी फील्ड में जाते हैं तो हमने तमाम चीज़ों में वी ऑल फोकस ऑन ओपिनियन ऑफ एक्सपर्ट्स. Experts are considered authorities in their specific areas of knowledge and they are distinguished as such by their doctoral degree or important scientific achievements which they have made in their particular fields. Logical reasoning, rationality. Logical reasoning is another way of acquiring knowledge. It is related to binary functioning, ignorance, and blind beliefs made man as a sleeping brains. Later, curiosity and search for cause and effect relationship paved the way of unfolding natural truths and facts. People become modern and developed by the way they approached the matters through logical reasoning. Deductive. What is logical? There are two type of logical reasoning. Number one is deductive and one is inductive. So, general to specific. When we will think about general to specific, when we get the information from general to specific, जब हम आम से खास की तरफ जाते हैं then it is deductive, and as well as जब हम खास से आम की तरफ जाते हैं specific to general, that is inductive, and reasoning are emerged by the time as method of logical reasoning. Individuals may infer things through deductive reasoning, abstract thinking, finding relationship between events and variables, and so forth. For example, a competent person can make valid conclusion regarding the nature and consequences of certain events by observing behavior of individuals or analyzing chain of events, statement and attitude of national leaders and so forth. Through the logical reasoning, a researcher can deduct and infer information regarding the research problem. So there is a diagram of inductive and deductive reasoning: observation, pattern, tentative hypothesis, and then theory. And the other side is theory, then hypothesis, observation, and confirmative. Rationality. Rationality. The formula of rationality is inputs plus process is equal to outputs. Experience, opinions, people, facts, data, rational thinking के अंदर जब ये चीज़ें सारी इंक्लूड होती हैं देन साउंड कंक्लूजन, फिर हमें जो कंक्लूजन मिलता है वो बेहतरीन कंक्लूजन हमें मिलता है. मैजिक. Magic is also a way of knowledge. The purpose of magic is to acquire knowledge. Magic is the application of belief, rituals, or actions practiced with the view that they can subdue or manipulate natural or supernatural beings and forces. It is a category into which have been placed various beliefs and practices, sometimes considered separate from both religion and science. यानी कभी कभार ये साइंस और मज़हब दोनों से ही दूर ले जाता है, लेकिन ये कि एक इट इज़ अ वे ऑफ नॉलेज, इसके थ्रू जो है हमें नॉलेज गेन किया जा सकता है. Intuitions. Knowledge revealed from insight is another means of knowledge acquisition. इसको उर्दू में वजदान कहेंगे. एक सिक्स सेंस जिसे हम ये कह सकते हैं कि एक अचानक कुछ होने वाला हो और हमें पहले ही उसके बारे में पता लग जाए, कुछ समथिंग गोइंग टू हैपन, तो जब वो होने वाला हो और हमें पहले पता लग जाए, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इंट्यूशंस. नॉलेज रिवील्ड फ्रॉम इनसाइट, जो हमें नॉलेज अंदरूनी सर यानी कि हमारे अंदर से हमें रूहानी तौर पर हाथ मिलता है, इज़ अनदर मीन ऑफ नॉलेज एक्विजिशन. Many of the life situations we also had experienced initiative knowledge to solve our life problems. Knowledge can be acquired through following process preparation. In this step, all available information regarding the problem to be solved must be assembled and analyzed in depth. Incubation. No intentional attempt made to solve the problem. It come to mind while playing, cooking or at bathroom and so forth. यानी इनक्यूबेशन का जो अमल है, ये हमें किसी जगह पे हम कोई काम कुछ भी कर रहे हैं तो अचानक हमारे दिमाग में कोई भी आइडिया आ गया, तो ये भी एक इनिटेशन का ज़रिया है. इल्यूमिनेशन इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ इनिशिएटिव many ideas in the mind of the problem solver. Verification. After receiving the idea, the problem solver should verify or test the validity or reliability of the information empirically. Superstitions and intuition. Acquiring knowledge that is based on subjective feelings, interpreting random events as non-random events, or believing in magical events. For example, you may have heard someone say bad thing happen in trees. Bad thing happen in trees यानी कोई भी काम जो बुरा होता है वो 3 की गिनती में होता है. Where does this idea come from? ये कहाँ से आइडिया आया? Has ever documented that bad events occur in threes? ये किसी डॉक्यूमेंट में लिखा हुआ है कि ये सब जो थ्रीज में होगा, 3 के गिनती में होगा. सम पीपल बिलीव दैट ब्रेकिंग अ मिरर ब्रिंग 7 years ऑफ बैड लक. कुछ लोगों का ये कहना होता है कि अगर शीशा टूट गया तो 7 साल जो है वो बैड लक के स्टार्ट हो गए हैं. Once again, these are examples of superstitious belief that are not based on observation or hypothesis testing. Trial and error, that is also a way of knowledge or source of knowledge. Alternatives are tried successfully until a solution to a problem is found. May be practical in some cases, but it is often fallible and insufficient, tends to be haphazard, and the solutions may be idiosyncratic. Naturalistic inquiry, observation, experience. Thirst for knowledge is the uniqueness of human being. For example, a researcher felt a problem of why the students of backward areas are less enrolled in higher education. The researcher may formulate possible reasons and possibilities of the problem empirically to collect information from the original sources. He may go to the community location and approach the concerned subject of the study and their social situation. Through this inquiry process, the researchers get much valuable information and thereby infer the solution of the problem. The knowledge construction through this process can be termed as naturalistic inquiry. Scientific approach. The knowledge constructed through scientific approach has following features. Number one, conclusion. Number one is observation, question, hypothesis, experiment, analysis, and then conclusion. research. Research is another way of acquiring knowledge. It is the dependable as well as means of acquiring reliable knowledge of concerned. That is why research is called as search for truth. इसीलिए इसको हकीकत की तलाश कहा जाता है. प्लेटो की डेफिनेशन जो थी वो यहाँ पर भी करती है, फॉल करती है. और डेवलपिंग नॉलेज theory from the human history as a result of research a series invention has been taken place from the dawn of human generation. जब से इंसान पैदा हुआ तब से इंसान रिसर्च के ऊपर लगा हुआ है. It is directly impacted the lifestyle of human beings. Hence nowadays several authority people are depend on research to collect necessary knowledge of their issues are concerned. Thanks for watching. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा एंड ताकि तमाम स्टूडेंट्स जो है उन तक ये मैसेज पहुंच जाए और वो भी इसकी प्रिपरेशन कर लें. उम्मीद है आपको ये पसंद आया होगा. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.